Now that we've entered and saved our program, we're ready to try to compile it and run it. So to do that, bring your DOS window back up, make sure you're in the right directory where your Java program was saved, and type the command javac for the Java compiler, and then the name of your program, including the extension, helloworld.java. Then press enter. If no message comes back, then your program compiled successfully. If you did get an error, then you probably didn't type the program in exactly as I have it, so go back and check and compare your program to what I have here. We're going to cover errors in the next lesson, so don't worry too much about that, but make sure that your program looks exactly like mine. Then when you're sure of that and it does compile successfully, then we're ready to run the program. To do that, we call the virtual machine Java, which calls the JVM, or the Java Virtual Machine, along with the name of our program without the extension, just Java Hello World, and press enter. And you should see the phrase Hello World on your screen. Again, if you don't see that, then something happened entering the program, so go back and enter the program as I have it on the screen now, and then go back and recompile it with javac helloworld.java, and then run it with the virtual machine by typing Java Hello World. And again, you should see the phrase Hello World right after that. In the next lesson, I'm going to talk about how to deal with errors that you make, usually by typing something incorrectly.